Why create a goal? Because you'll increase your clarity, focus, and success. We're going to go over 5 steps to creating your goal and achieving them using my new free downloadable guide to goal setting. So let's get started. Studies show that people perform 90% better when they have relevant and challenging goals. That's amazing. So how to create these goals so that you can get on the path to success today? First of all, make goals that are consistent with your values and what you want out of life. And you need to make goals for yourself, because if you're not making goals for yourself, somebody's making them for you. Clarify your goals in your own mind, and then let's get started documenting them. So first, we're going to define the goal. Write down your why. Write down why it's important to have this goal. Think about a long-term goal supported by 2 or 3 short-term goals. The idea is that all of your goals are in alignment. Document your SMART objective. Exactly what are you trying to do? The more detailed, the more likely it is to happen. Milestones help you keep a clear vision of your path ahead. And what I like to call goalposts, and this for me is visual because I'm a visual person. I like to have my goal, my milestones, and my goalposts on the wall so I stay clear on what my goals are. Next, we look at roadblocks. Why? Because it's the best way to succeed. Planning for how you might fail and how you'll overcome that is a great way to keep yourself on track with your goal. This is where the rubber meets the road. Making your action plan. These are all the steps in at least the first milestone or phase of work that you need to accomplish. It's as simple as having a list. This will help you execute a big goal by taking small steps every day. And if you lose your way, go back to your why. So make yourself accountable. Find someone you can rely on, a mentor, a teacher, or someone else you can talk to about your goal, someone who cheers you on and may even offer practical help and advice. Review your progress. Not just at the end of your goal, but during it. Doing it regularly is important for yourself and that person you're going to be accountable to. 40% of people who action their goals, write them down, and report on it are more likely to achieve their goals than someone who doesn't do those things. 40%, that's a lot, for the simple fact of writing things down and reporting them out. So when you measure your success, you might find that you're much further ahead than you realized. Yay you! Or you might be confronted with the fact that some things have slipped. You're not making the progress you thought you would by this time. And that's okay. The fact that you recognize it is helpful. But now reflect. What's causing you to trip up? And maybe you're feeling stressed, and this is important. I've seen a lot of people feel that goal setting is actually stress-inducing. Another way to look at it is actually what Harvard Business Review has talked about in terms of microstress. So many people suffer from multiple kinds of microstress, but a big one is having someone else determine your priorities and values. Taking time to own your goals, own the responsibility for actioning them might feel stressful, but I guarantee you it's a lot less stressful than taking on all of those things from somebody outside. So a couple more things on stress I'll give you summary of. You can check my blog, the link is below if you want to see more about this. One is keep it simple, that means your task list. The other is keep it real. Keep it real in terms of how much time you really can give to your goal, as long as you're making it a priority in the time available. And lastly, give yourself grace. We all lose our way, every single one of us. So you can't beat yourself up. That's defeatist. That doesn't help. Give yourself a pep talk. Review your why, review your goal, and get back on track. Your journey may change over time, but the point is you're on a journey. You have a path. You have a vision ahead. That's what's important. You've got your goal. You know your goalposts. You've been tracking your actions, maintaining your milestones, and hitting those short-term goals on the way to success for the big item. Now you've hit that big item. What do? Of course, you celebrate. And if you look at successful people, they're the ones who are doing this. You can be one of them. So once you achieve a goal and celebrate, set a new one. Keep the goal journey going. You will be so much more successful and happier in your life if you do. My guide to goal setting. If you'd like a copy, see the link below. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see more on project management, mentorship, or user journeys. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.